Bithia from Fala. We specialize in Japanese tea and matcha. For this Artbox event, we have creamsicles as well as the Orium Supreme Tea Latte and the Fruit Loops Tea Latte.
안녕하세요. 홍대 코리안 BBQ입니다. 코리아 치킨 닭강정, 핫도그, 잡채.
불고기 덮밥, 제육볶음 덮밥.
Hi, I'm Cassandra. I'm from Terrence Tea. We're excited to be at Artbox in KPay Street. So you can basically create your own box and mix and match. You can also do a custom tea blending. Running a booth may be very busy, but with KPay's terminal, we can always make everything very seamless, very easy to use. KPay also accepts multiple payments, which keeps our customers happy and also the queues moving. We are Terrence Tea. I'm Bithia from Fala.
We are Hongdae.
And we choose KPay. And we choose KPay.
We choose
KPay!